Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk real quick about the fair value gap indicator and the EA. For the indicator, it's free on MQL5 market, link in the description down below. So let's load the indicator. Now, this is the input setting for the indicator. And first we have input max bars. This is for the maximum number of bars to look back for the indicator to calculate. Next we have time frame. This is the current time frame. Now we have start and end time. This is where there is a certain range if you want the indicator to work for, let's say, for the 6 o'clock to the 20 o'clock. Next we have minimum gap. This is on the ATR based. It's set to 0.5. Let's load the indicator and I'm going to talk more about it. So right, so it's now loaded on the chart. Now some of you might say, well, what is the fair value gap? Well, the fair value gap, this is like a zone where imbalance happen in the market. As you can see, the low of this candle and the high of this candle, there is a gap here. This is called the fair value gap. Now, for the setting of the maximum height or maximum gap, this is what I mean from here to here. This is an ATR based, which is actually customizable. You can select how big this gap and how small this gap to be. Now also the entry when the price goes back into this gap, as long as the close is inside the zone, there is sell order happened here. Now for the rest of the setting, it's straightforward. There's a customizable section. Here we can change arrow colors, the fair value gap color, the fill. If you want to fill, you can change everything here. Also the entry settings, you can show signal. If you are maybe using this with other type of entry, you don't need maybe this signal, just to show you the 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 gap. Also the trade level, if you do want to see these trade levels, you can disable them. You can show prices of the trade levels and show trade in pips. Also for the stops and target, it's based on ATR multiplier, how much distant between the stops number one. Let's say for example it's 1.5 ATR for the stop number one and 2.5 ATR for stop number two. Same thing with the targets. Also this indicator support alerts. You can activate alert on a new fair value gap. If there's a new fair value gap, there's alert for it. And there is a new for new signal. This is the signal for the sell and or the buy signal. Also push notification and emails and all also supported. Now guys, for the EA, it's the same settings, almost the same, but I have added some kind of uh, added settings. We have here filter type, we have EMA or SMA or no filter, and there is a filter period. Also for the entry settings or the EA settings, I have added trade bar delay. If you want to a certain delay in entry uh, in bars, we have a lot size, we have a magic number, we have a lot based on equity. If you want your volume based on your equity, and set it a risk per position. Also we have number of position if you want two position or one position. For example, in this cell example, if you want two position, there is going to two position going to be opened in target 1 and target 2. We have Friday trading, true or false. Stop loss and target are based on RTR based. We have here trailing. If you want a trailing after the first position has been hit, you can trail this your position based on trailing step. Okay, for example, if the target 2 are far away, now there is a trailing option. And the same thing for the alert, you can activate or deactivate alerts based on your needs. Here guys, I'm going to show you real quick how this works, how the entry got triggered. For example, based on the filter. Here as you can see, I'm moving bar by bar. Here's we got an entry. Looks like this is stop loss triggered. As you can see how this thing is opening a trade based on the settings that we are putting. It is, for example, this is the sell, point two, the volume, this is stop loss and take profit, and take profit number one, take profit number two. Also, guys, I just want to say something really important at the end. Please make sure you do your testing before making any purchase on the market. For me, from any sources, make sure you did your testing and you are 100% convinced that this EA, for example, or any EA match your trading style, and you are 100% convinced this is alright, this is for me. uh, Adjust the setting as you want, as maybe the stops here is too low based on your testing. Adjust it and test it for various symbols and make sure that it's fitting your trading style before making any purchase. And thanks for watching.